Hey guys, Connor Brown at Heritage Ford again with another video this week. Today I have this 2012 Infiniti G25, guys. Really sharp car. I just want to give you a quick vehicle walk around and then we're going to hop inside this bad boy and take it for a spin. Got your backup camera there on the bottom of the spoiler. Alrighty guys. Alright, so initially I just want to go over a couple features that this thing has, but first off we're just going to start it up. You have your push button start here, so just as long as you have the key fob inside the vehicle, foot on the brake, press the push button start. I'm just going to set our keys here for the sake of the video. And guys, we have our automatic locks, automatic windows, your hands-free display up here with your buttons on the steering wheel. You have your tech package, and that along comes with your AM/FM radio, your auxiliary ports, CD player, and this is to make it brighter or dimmer, of course. Your info as far as maintenance and fuel economy, and then your settings of course your audio display and your camera and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw it back to AM/FM radio, and guys, you have your clock in here, and along with your radio volume tune and your climate control right down here. So since we are going to take this thing for a spin, I'm going to go ahead and buckle up, safety first, and I'll tell you guys a little bit about the vehicle as we're going along. So put her down into drive here. Yeah guys, so us salesmen, we do one video a week here, so keep an eye out on our online website, heritagefd.com, for our latest videos. So guys, first thing we're going to talk about is fuel economy on this particular vehicle. City, it says you can get anywhere from, on city you get 20 miles to the gallon, and highway up to 29. Of course that is going to depend on how you drive yourself. You know, use the cruise control, could utilize a couple of miles to the gallon here and there. But we're also rocking with a 20-gallon tank, guys, on this mid-size car right here, a 20-gallon tank, which is, I thought was pretty impressive. Usually cars of this stature and sort have around like a 12-13 gallon tank, but guys, 20-gallon tank, so you're not gonna have to be filling up at every gas station. You're gonna have a good lengthy trip here in this gas tank, guys. But as far as like performance, we're talking about 218 horsepower on a 2.5 V6 and 187 feet-pound of torque. But guys, this is a pretty peppy little ride, and I hope to showcase that a little bit. It's a real pretty day here in Corden. It's you know, once we get this weather worked out, it's 30 one day and 70 the next, but once it levels out, we'll be cooking here. But it's a real pretty day out today. Guys, and the steering wheel feels really tight. I know this particular model has around a little less than 79,000 miles on it, but don't get me wrong, it still has the tight feeling in the steering. The seat hugs you. It's a comfortable ride. And pretty comfy seats too. High quality leather inside of here. Just a really nice cruise to the vehicle. But this vehicle is also front wheel drive, guys, so it'll do a little bit better in the snow than, you know, rear wheel drive vehicles. So if you're looking for a two-wheel drive vehicle that'll do well in the snow, this is one for you. Hopefully right here I could show you a little bit of the performance and acceleration on this vehicle, because but see, as you guys can tell, it still shifts perfectly. Still shifts perfectly. Don't want to run up on these people too fast, so I'm going to slow down. But yeah guys, this is a good running vehicle here, and I encourage you to come down and take a look at it. As you know, Infiniti makes a pretty quality vehicle, and even the older ones have pretty high resale value, meaning that they are a quality vehicle. But this vehicle drives out really, really nice. Had a little more pep than I thought it was going to, but it's pretty impressive. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is a 2012 Infiniti G25. This has a 2.5 V6, 218 horsepower, 187 feet-pound of torque. Fun little car to drive as well. Alrighty, and to shut it off, just gotta press the button one more time. Oh! And like I said, guys, this is just one of the highly quality vehicles that we have on our lot in 2012 Infiniti G25. And don't take my word for it, guys. If you would, come down and take a test drive for yourself. Thank you.